Look at the mod ad right here, man. Mod ad right here on the guys. Yo. What's up, my boy? How you been? I've been chilling, man. Working. Yeah, I know. We've been getting shit done, though. We was at Yorktown, and then we slid to this little secret-ass motherfucking little garage and shit. Was taking pictures and shit. Damn. Where we finna drive to? I'm gonna let your ass pick. I be seeing your ass be picking some weird ass spots. Yeah, I haven't been before.
I realize just be driving through the woods like that shit.
Yeah.
I'll be going that way.
So you think that's a good drive right now?
Shit, yeah, man.
Shit, come on now. We follow you then.
Bro, I'm finna stop at Speedway real quick.
Oh, that's cool. I bet. Oh. Yeah, my doors open. That's why them lights was on. Yes, sir. God damn, man, I need to do something to my exhaust, bro. His shit too fucking loud, bro. God damn. Ah, shit. I'll follow his ass. Man, look at this shit, man. We being hella productive today. If Ryan could come outside, that should be even better, though. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. If Ryan could take his ass outside, that would be amazing, bro. Damn, who challenger this is. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He said we finna go through the woods and shit, man. So, I don't know how fast I'm finna be driving, G. I ain't gonna bop. The deers be all over here and some more shit, so I don't even know for real. He said Speedway, almost turned into Thornton's. Oh shit. He probably gotta turn in that way and shit. Which one we finna go in? Shit, Bunny can squeeze his ass in the middle if he park this shit right. Oh yeah. I'm trying to reverse this bitch a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah. Damn, the light in this bitch D1 as hell. Damn. I forgot how good the lighting was over here.
Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, we got beef.
Who?
You keep making me get in these tight ass boxes and shit, man.
What you complain about?
It's a bathroom, though?
Yeah, I thought you pissed already.
Nah, I can wash my hair and shit.
Oh, you need hand sanitizer?
I can wash it. I don't know. I know I'm trying to just wipe this blood off and shit.
Oh, you ain't do it yet?
Hell nah.
What you waiting on, little bro? How your shit looking though? God damn. Look, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't know if this bitch supposed to be the vlog or this bitch supposed to be the POV, but we just doing shit and we finna turn something into nothing, bro. No bullshit, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know if he just locked his door. I don't know what the fuck he just did, but we finna see. Where my other phone at? Where my other phone at? It's currently 5:29. We gotta film this bitch and do everything we need to do and be back at the court by 7 o'clock for this motherfucking video and shit. Shit. Let's ask his ass how the BMW like being lately and things of that nature. Shit. How the BMW life treating you? How the BMW life treating you?
I hate that premium gas shit. That shit.
That's all you can put in here?
Yeah, right there. It's that straight though shit. I had to change the fucking alternator and everything and shit.
That's all maintenance wise you had to do?
Yeah, so far since I did it, that's all I did. It's a new alternator, first struts and shit like that.
Bro, our homie had a sedan, BMW, and we think that bitch gone. Yeah, bro, he don't want to be coming outside with us no more. And he it's quote unquote put up and shit, so we don't know what's. Remember Amari? Yeah, he had a BMW. Now he driving his girlfriend shit. So we don't know what the fuck going on with that bitch.
I was finna get one of those 2 to 3 cents. I was finna get that before I got this, but I want something bigger.
Yeah, they kind of small. Cause his shit was kind of small as hell, and you tall as shit.
Yeah, I was like, I need.
There's a lot of room in her.
Yeah, I think that's a lot.
Damn, this bitch spacious as hell. This bitch got a lot of room. What you been on? You just been driving around, working and shit. Now, how much this finna get you in your tank?
Shit, my shit was like a half. My shit probably 4.
Oh, a premium too? Damn, his shit like 45 for like a half a tank. Bro, he just put $30 in on premium. He said gonna be damn near full.
My shit was already at like a half a tank.
I was already at a half a tank, so like 60 gonna get you right. Bro, dumbass cook, man. Hurry your ass up. It's cold as hell outside, boy. Which way we going from here? You said what? Alright, fuck it, come on. We finna turn out this way. Bow, 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 bow. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that's the way the motherfucking, whatchamacallit was, too. That's where the motherfucking, the cop was at. So we gonna see what happens and things of that nature, man. This been a vlog / POV and shit. We gonna see. Damn, I overheard that bump. Damn, whole time we could've slid through the middle of that bitch. I ain't even peep. Damn. He behind us? Yeah. What you finna do with it, man? This shit far as hell back there. Pull up on me, little broski. God damn! God damn! Jesus Christ! Man, I'm about to fucking put gas in this bitch again. Hopefully it's not. Oh shit! There's a cop back there. There's a cop back there. If he pull out, we might be fucked. We dead ass might be fucked. Yo, we dead ass might be fucked. Oh shit, cop right here, cop right here, cop right here, cop right here. We over trolling. Look, there's a cop literally right here, bro. We might have just got fucked. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's get the fuck off this street. Let's get the fuck off this street. He gonna overfollow us too, right? Let's see if they follow us, bro. God damn. That shit was just tragic as hell. Motherfucker cop was just sitting back there with a cop in front of us, G. I think we should take the sign, no bullshit. Man, what the fuck? Damn, I just overleft their ass. Bro, I need my police radar back on, bro. My pops took that bitch off my fucking window and I haven't been using it since. I thought we was just cooked like a motherfucker, boy. Jesus Christ. I know Blaney mad as hell sitting back there though. Oh shit, who the fuck is this? Just sitting right here. They lights on and shit. Thought that was a cop. And see, now I'm all fucking, I'm like paranoid and shit. Shit, how the fuck you get over there? Oh my gosh. Damn, where that bitch go? Can it go all the way down here? They probably lost his head. Like, where the fuck is they taking us? This ain't no drive up. Can I drive up again? Oh shit, fuck it, let's see. Oh. Can they fit? Gee, what the fuck? See? Man, ain't no way Bunny fitting in that shit. He just need to park in the middle. That's all we was done for, man. Oh, this might be the thumbnail right here, probably. Hey, Bunny, scooch up a little bit. Hey, Bunny, scooch up a little bit. His ass trolling. What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, I thought we was cooked. Because by the Shell station, a cop pulled out behind us, and there was a cop in front of us. You ain't see that shit? Trying to get a thumbnail. His ass gonna pull it up a little bit. Hey, his ass not paying attention. Pull up like right here. Come on. Come on. So that way. All right, stop right here. There we go. That shit's so much better, bro. God damn. What y'all rating this little lineup right here, man? Damn. Come on, we finna go some mode. Oh, fuck. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video right here, man. I don't know if this is part of my vlog or part of my POV, but we finna see what we get into. You feel what I'm saying? And we finna get active in this motherfucker, man. On the guys. Let's see how the hell, I don't know if we can go back this way technically, but we finna fucking do it anyways. Fuck it, I'm gonna start a new video.